Hello, and welcome to this easy, guided little light meditation for relaxation. Find a safe and comfortable position, either seated or lying down, where your mind and body can relax, yet remain engaged. Throughout the meditation, practice being careful with yourself, observing without judgment, criticism, or expectation, without seeking or demanding. Once you're settled, close your eyes and bring your attention and awareness to your breath. Take a few moments to simply observe and enjoy the flow of your breath, not changing it or judging it, just observing the flow and feel in and out of your body at this moment. On your next inhale, picture breathing in pure white light. And on the exhale, picture that white light carrying away any impurities, tension, toxins, anything you do not need. Inhale, picture and feel that purifying white light entering the body. Exhale, releasing what doesn't serve you. On your next inhale, picture that white light traveling up through your nose, past your eyebrows, to the crown of your head, crown tingling. Exhale, releasing any tension, worries, or nagging thoughts, leaving this area completely relaxed. Inhaling, picture and feel the nose, mouth, ears, and base of the skull fill with that purifying white light. Exhale, clearing and releasing any blocks or tension, leaving this area completely relaxed. Inhale, radiant white light fills your throat, neck, and shoulders. Exhale, picture anything you need to let go of from this area floating away. Throat, neck, and shoulders completely relax and release. Inhale, breathing in revitalizing white light to your chest, heart, and upper back. Picture that white light purifying this area. And on the exhale, see and feel any blocks, stress, or tension flowing out, releasing, relieving, renewing. Inhale, white light flows all the way down your arms to the tips of your fingers. Exhale, releasing this area of anything that isn't serving it. Inhale, picture that white light flowing deep into your belly and the low back. Exhale, clearing any tension, anxiety, or toxins. Feeling this area release and relax. Inhale, breathe in that white light and cleansing energy to your hips, buttocks, and upper legs. Picture this area filled with flowing white light. Exhale any discomfort, releasing what you do not need, leaving this area completely relaxed. Inhale, white light flowing down to the knees, lower legs, ankles, feet, and toes. Exhale, clearing all tension and discomfort. This area completely releases. On the next inhale, picture the white light traveling through your whole body, from the crown of your head to the tips of your toes. Exhale, releasing anything not serving you. Inhale, white light coursing through your entire being. Exhale, releasing any residual discomfort, doubt, fear, all of it flowing out. Inhale, white light radiating through each fiber and cell. Exhale, releasing anything left that is standing in your way. Take a few more breaths on your own to picture and feel yourself immersed in radiant, cleansing, renewing white light until there is nothing left to release on the exhale. You may choose to stay in this purified state and slip off to a restful sleep, or take a deep, revitalizing breath, bringing your awareness back to the physical body. Wiggle your fingers and your toes, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. The poet Osho wrote, "Don't seek, don't search, don't ask, don't knock, don't demand. Relax." May you go into the rest of your day completely relaxed, and may your little light always shine bright. Namaste.